Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peace, mercy, and blessing be upon all of you. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install OpenFoam. So if you're already aware of my previous video about how to install FEATool like this, which you can find it here. This is how you can install FEATool, which is actually a pretty awesome program or pretty awesome software to run the GUI of OpenFoam. However, if you open this OpenFoam in FEATool, and then you will get error message like this: could not find any OpenFoam installation. So if you try to run it from here, so you can try this by yourself from file, model example, and then if you try the multi-physics with the multi-simulation heat exchanger, if I click it like this, I'll show you, and then you will get an error message because OpenFoam is not installed yet in your system. Okay, so let's just follow this first. So as you can see, we got error something like this. Okay, so now I will show you how to fix this issue by installing OpenFoam. Go to openfoam.org and then /download. Okay, I will go to OpenFoam like this. This one, openfoam.org. This one's openfoam.org, and then /download. Okay, see, and then after that, because currently I'm running this on Ubuntu, so that's why I will use this install on Ubuntu. But if you have another Linux distro, you can just follow the step by step. Okay, so for installation, I need to copy this, so I'll copy this first, copy, and then after that open the terminal, paste it, enter your password. Okay, and then after that, the second line, copy this. Okay, and then after that, we just need to do app update. Make sure you have an internet connection. Okay, and then after that, we need to install the OpenFoam, which is here. Okay, paste. Just wait until it's finished. It will need like 254 megabytes to download. Okay, just wait until it's finished. I will make this faster so that you do not need to wait until it's finished. Okay, so everything is done. Okay, so we need to add OpenFoam to the bash RC. Wait. Okay, so we need to edit the bash RC first. So to do that, open your from your home folder, and then after that find the .bash rc. It should be here, so this one, double click it, and then we need to add this. Copy this, copy, and then at the very end, and then paste it there. Okay, and then Control S or save this. Then after that, save this. Okay, that should work. So it seems we need to log out first. Okay, so just log out. Okay, so I have just restarted my computer. So let's check whether OpenFoam already been installed correctly. So if I type simple foam like this, enter. So it seems it is already installed correctly in our system. Okay, and this is using OpenFoam 10. See, it's OpenFoam 10. Okay, and this is already located in OPT. Let's check. So from file system, OPT, it should be here, this one. So this is our OpenFoam that has been installed just now. Okay, so now let's check the FEATool whether it works or not. Okay. So, and the beauty of using FEATool is that it can work as the GUI or graphic user interface for OpenFoam. Yep. Okay, so let's try a new file here, and then let's try to make new, let's say 3D with a config with a Nover stroke equation, because this works with the OpenFoam, something like this. Let's just make a random. Okay, and then after that, make this grid, and then let's just go to solve, and then click OpenFoam. See, it works, guys. So now you can do whatever with your model, and whatever, it's up to you. And then you can also try to use Phoenix. It works. We just want to try whether it works or not. Okay, so it works. And then SU2, it also works. Okay, so guys, so that's how you install OpenFoam and then use OpenFoam in FEATool. Okay, so guys, okay, thanks very much for watching. I hope that's helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe into this channel. And lastly, I hope this is helpful for you, all of you. Okay, thanks very much, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peace, mercy, and blessing be upon all of you. Bye bye.